Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie an Ashley stopper knot. This knot is great for applications such as general purposes, camping, sailing, and climbing. Start by creating a bight. Now flip that bight back to create two separate loops. Feed the one loop through the other. Feed the working end through the loop. Pull the standing part, and then the working end to help dress and tighten the knot. When dressed correctly, this is a very secure and bulky knot. This is also known as an oysterman's knot that features a 3-loop symmetrical design. This knot is basically a common overhand knot design with the tail of the rope passing through the noose eye. When passed through an object, the 3-loop design provides great resistance when it being exposed to a high tension. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.